there, my name is Josh Diotti, Van Guru here at Vandoit, and today we are here to talk about the interior lighting. Now, even those with the most minimal needs request lighting to some degree. So I don't think the question is, do you need lighting or not, but how much lighting and what lighting you need. And so the goal of this video today is to show you what lighting we offer here at Vandoit for the inside, as well as show you some of the product features. So let's get into it. We offer three different types of interior lighting here at Vandoit: your ceiling dome lighting, cargo lighting, and accent lighting. And so the one I would like to discuss first is going to be your ceiling dome lighting, which are our most popular. The ceiling dome lighting is made up of 8 LED dome lights that run the interior length of the van. These LED dome lights are great for everyday use and general purpose use. They're on dimmers, which also makes them useful at night. Now, one of the biggest benefits of these lights, as I mentioned, is they are LED, which means they are going to be low energy draw, yet have a high output of light. So if you're someone that is energy conscious, these are definitely something for you to consider. Now, like I said, these are our most popular lighting options. So in fact, I don't even know that we have built a van without them. So these are definitely highly recommended and really no reason to not get them. Second lighting option we offer here is the cargo lighting. Now, the cargo lighting comes as a standard on your LIV model, while it will be a special request add-on for the DO model. Essentially, the cargo lighting is going to be mini light bars that are mounted in your side boxes underneath the queen hydraulic bed here. These light bars act to light up the space underneath the bed, and so if you're someone that is going to be hauling gear or getting things off the gear slide area, specifically at nighttime or in the early morning, this is definitely a key component to have with your van. Now, if you're traveling with kids or extra passengers and planning on using this space as a bunk space, then the cargo lighting can also allow those down low to keep up the shenanigans without bothering those up top with light. So either way, the cargo lighting is definitely a key component to consider, whether you're going to be hauling gear or passengers on the gear slide. Now we're on the last interior lighting option, which is one of my personal favorites, accent lighting. Now, one of the biggest advantages of accent lighting is that it is a non-LED light. So if you're someone that might be a little bit more sensitive to like a bright white LED light, then this accent lighting is definitely something to consider and to have as a key component in your build. Now, accent lighting comes in 4 different colors. It'll come in off-white, blue, green, or red. Now, since it's not LED, we can't have it change colors, so you'll have to pick one or the other. Now, like most everything in our vans, the accent lighting is multi-purpose in its use. Some popular uses include using the lighting as a nighttime reading light, using it as a soft, relaxing nighttime mode, and as well as using it at night to not attract bugs as much as, say, like a bright white LED light would. However, the most popular and highly recommended purpose for getting the accent lighting would be to light up your electronics box, as you can see behind me. Now, the lighting that runs inside the track system, so it cannot be added later, which is also an important note. But since it runs within the track system, we actually outline the inside of the electronic box with it. Whereas your cargo lighting will reflect off the clear panels that we put over the electronics, the accent lighting inside lights up everything so that you can see it. I cannot stress how important this is should you ever need to troubleshoot anything with our support team at Vandoit. Now that we've talked about some of the reasons you might consider each interior lighting option, let's talk a little bit about the product features as well as some of the controls. So real simply, your lighting is going to be controlled on your rocker switches like many of your other components. These rocker switches are mounted in 3 different spots: up above the driver, in the cab area, here above the slide door, as well as in the back off your gear slide. So real simply, to wake these up, you're just going to hit them once, and you'll see that we've got a bright blue setting on your accent lighting, dome lighting, and then my cargo lighting is white. So what that means, my cargo lighting's turned off, these other ones, dome lighting, accent lighting, are turned on, as you can see right now. Now, if I hit those again, they're going to turn to like a turquoise blue color. And so what that'll do is turn my accent lighting and dome lighting to a dim setting. The cargo lighting does not have a dim setting. When I turn these to a dim setting, you're probably going to notice them flicker a little bit. That's just because of the frequency of the lighting and the camera picking that up. I promise they don't flicker in real life. So we'll give it a try. You'll see they go to a dim, then I can turn them off and we'll turn them back on. Same with my accent lighting. So that's how you control your lighting. It's real simple, real easy. That's all I got for you guys here on the interior lighting. To recap a little bit for you, we offer 3 different lighting options: your dome lighting, your cargo lighting, and your accent lighting. Dome lighting is a great general purpose light that really everybody should get. The cargo lighting works great for those that have passengers or getting gear out in the early morning or late at night of the gear slide area. Lastly, we have our accent lighting, which works for a lot of different purposes previously mentioned, but the biggest highlight is that it lights up your electronic box. And so believe me, that is a feature that everyone will want. So I leave you guys with one pro tip. If you are using your lighting at nighttime, you turn on your lights, outsiders will be able to see through your windows. So considering our interior lighting with our thermal curtains is definitely something to keep in mind. So that's all I have for you guys here on the interior lighting. We will see you guys on the next video.